my channel Positivity and Happiness. So my friends, you can see I'm just in front of this beautiful riverfront, and this is my afternoon vlog. I just came here to have some evening walk, to have some fresh oxygen here. There is Bikram too, so we both are out, and now the time is around 6 o'clock. Weather is getting better day by day here in Denmark. So I told you in my previous vlog that every day in the evening time I just love to walk for a while. So today is just like that kind of sunny and bright day. So I thought of, okay, let's go for a walk and let's take you all with me. So this is a beautiful sight. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So yes, please keep watching the vlog. Outdoor exercise is a very fun thing to do, my friends. I know you all can understand those who are doing your regular exercise outdoor. I mean jogging, regular walking, or any particular exercise in the park. So here in the summertime, I'll take you all in a beautiful nature park where I'll do a lot of exercise in the morning time. But yes, now temperature is getting better day by day. So today I thought of, okay, let's take you all in this area. About my morning exercise routine, I already have a full video in my channel, my friends. So thank you so much for your love and support to that video. If you have missed it, you can check that video. So weight loss is not a thing that we can achieve in just one day. It's a healthy habit. We have to follow a good diet, and also we have to stay active, physically fit. And my friends, little bit of exercise can make a lot of change in our life. So we have to follow that. The good thing is this area is very close. So my friends, you have seen I have done few exercise. It's a very basic and simple regular freehand exercise. But I'm feeling so fresh, so relaxed. And now we both are enjoying this beautiful view. It's so awesome. I cannot even describe the beauty in words. It's just so good. And in the summertime, I'll bring you all here, and also my summer fitness routine is there. So we'll spend another 15 minutes here. We'll sit there. There is a chair, and then we'll go back home. And before going back home, we'll do little grocery shopping. I don't know, my friends, you can see it properly or not, but here is written Aalborg University. I'll bring you back here in this place in the summertime. I have a plan to make lots of vlogs here, and also my summer fitness routine is coming up. So my friends, now we are in the middle of the city, and now we'll go for little grocery shopping, not much. So we had an amazing time today in the riverside. It was just fantastic. So yes, I cannot talk to you loudly because it's a public place and people are having quite a good time here, especially in the afternoon evening time. People come and have some quality time here in this area especially. So yes, those kids, they are laughing. So yes, here is Bikram. We are relaxing here, and now we'll have some grocery shopping done, and then we'll straight go to our home. So please keep watching the vlog. So my friends, I was talking with you all in front of this mall in the city center, but then we decided, okay, let's go inside and let's see how it looks like. We never visited actually this mall, but it's a beautiful mall. Vero Moda is there, H&M, Matas, lot of big stores are there. So probably someday definitely I'll bring you all here. But today we are just looking around, just spending some time, and then we'll go back home. Now we are back in home. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen and I'm all set to prepare my dinner today. And today's dinner will be super vegetarian dinner without onion, without garlic. It's gonna be super simple but healthy dinner. So I'll share my dinner with you all today. And on our way back home, we just went to our regular grocery shop, Rima. Those who are following me for a few time now, you know that Rima is a very popular grocery store here in Denmark, and it's very close to our home. So whenever I need something, I just go there and buy. But yes, weekly we do our proper grocery shopping. But yeah, in between weeks, sometimes we need something to buy. So today I got, this is lettuce for salad. I just love to have some salad with my meal. And here is chili. Vikram loves to have chili. Even though tomorrow we'll go to Indian grocery store and we'll have our special Indian small, you know, those green chilies. But yes, for today we just got it, and yes, I can use it in any chicken preparation or fish. So yes, and potatoes. So these three things are there because potato is little less in my kitchen, and tomorrow we have some other work to do in the morning time, so we don't have any time to go for grocery shopping. And already in my, so okay my friends, now without wasting any time, let's make something. Probably I'll make some aloo palak ki sabji without onion garlic, so please keep watching. And here I have washed my spinach, also I peeled my potatoes, and now I'm gonna cut it, and then I'll make a very delicious and very healthy aloo palak ki sabji. This vegetable is so easy to make, and it's super simple and quick my friends. Here you can see in the oil I have added cumin seeds, 4-5 black pepper, and then hing, 2 pieces of cloves and 2 pieces of cardamom. And now I'm gonna add chili, and now I have added potatoes into it, and then I'm gonna fry it well. Here I am adding first of all salt, and then all the dry spices I'm gonna add one by one, like haldi powder or turmeric powder, little bit of red chili powder and cumin powder, and then I'm mixing everything well. Little amount of sugar as well, because sugar always adds little extra taste into the dish. Just a little amount of it, not much. Here I couldn't show you my friends, but I covered the lid, and also I have added little amount of water. So after adding the water and after covering the lid, my potatoes are now little soft. It's semi-cooked, not properly cooked, but yes, it's semi-cooked. And at this time I am adding my chopped palak or spinach. Spinach takes very little time to get cooked. Here you can see it's almost done. I have cooked it in low flame for 5 to 7 minutes and now it's almost done. And here is my very basic and simple without onion, garlic, tomatoes, aloo palak ki sabji is almost ready. It's so healthy, so tasty, and my friends, it's super good for your health. Here I have added just a little amount of butter, not much, because I'm going to make it in a very healthy way. You can add ghee as well, but today in the paratha I'll add little ghee. So yes, I'm taking my aloo palak ki sabji into this serving bowl. So yes, it's done. And here finally I am frying my parathas. So you can see I'm adding just a little amount of ghee. And also my friends, I have added ajwain into my parathas today and kasuri methi. And here is my super vegetarian without onion garlic Friday dinner is absolutely ready. You can see my friends, I made this aloo palak ki sabji. I shared the recipe with you all. If you have liked the recipe my friends, please let me know in the comment section and please let me know how many of you are very spinach lover like me. So here is my parathas and here is aloo gobi ki sabji that I made in the lunch time. So it's looking again delicious and also it was so healthy. And here is some fresh salad with lettuce, cucumber and some chilies. And here is my dal. I just made this very basic moong dal in the lunch time. And also rice from again lunch time. And here is some roasted papad. So yes, this dinner is ready. As you have seen, my dinner is completely ready, and not only dinner, my kitchen is also all cleaned up. I have cleaned everything, all my utensils, and here you have already seen my dinner spread. It's ready. Today it's so special because without onion and garlic I made today's dinner, special dinner, and it's good for vegetarian people, and twice in a week we prefer to eat vegetarian food, so it's very good for your health. This way I just want to keep a good balance in the body. So my friends, I'll see you super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So until then, tata, bye bye, love you, take care, stay positive, stay happy, stay always motivated. So tata, bye bye, love you.